Iceland is fortunate to have a lot of renewable energy. We have lots of hydropower and we have geothermal energy. And today, renewable energy supplies 85% of all the energy that it consumes. And what I find interesting here in Qinghai is that you have an interesting renewable energy profile and you have lots of opportunities. You evidently have solar and you have wind and you have lots of hydropower. We could work with you in hydropower, but I think what is most interesting for Qinghai is to move into geothermal energy. The main reason we're here is because of the green development. Qinghai wants to go into sustainability and they want to go more into green development. And Icelandic businesses and Icelandic government, we are very focused on sustainability and green development. And we have large companies here in China that are helping other provinces with moving into green development. And I think the connection between Qinghai and Iceland is that we can bring in technology for the energy sector, for the low carbon sector, for food production, but you can provide us with an exciting destination, eco destination with lots of cultural life and heritage.
我们希望通过此次青加会，能够跟青海省达成一定的合作成果，为青海清洁能源产业发展做出贡献。